Hello, welcome back. If you're new, welcome to the channel. And today I found well, not today, but several months ago, I found a Dell laptop. And it was going to be one of my destruction videos. Take it apart, see how it runs, what's inside. And it turns out this computer had some unusual issues with it. And I decided to do some other things with this laptop. Go ahead, watch this video, enjoy. And if you have any comments to what I found on this laptop, something I've never seen ever happen before, leave it in the comments. Let me know what the heck is going on with this thing. Enjoy. Thanks for watching. So what we got here is a Dell rugged computer, and it's got something leaking out back here. Power supply seen better days. It's got some kind of extra port attachment to it. Oh boy. Look at that. It's the screen. The screen has somehow leaked out. Well, let's give it some power, see what happens. All right. Oop, got a light. Something's happening. I think it just is charging the battery right now. Let's hit the power button again. Yep. Light on the power button. Yep. Hard drive lights. Whoa! Looks like we got some options here. So it still works with a leaky. Did anyone see that before? The screen is leaking. That's the first time I've ever seen that happen. What do we got here? Well, let's see here. Resuming Windows. Oh boy. Passwords. That sucks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Nope. All right, I will come back if I can figure this out. Okay, so either I guessed one of the generic passwords or it's locking me out right now. So you always guess it's all zeros or all ones or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I went with all zeros. Oh. Nope. I will come back and try some more different passwords. All right, generic passwords. I am in. Look at that. So somehow this is working, and we got a leaking screen. What is that that's leaking out of there? It's nasty. I just want to show there's some good stuff on this computer. Some of the things that are standing out right now. There's old iFix. It's old SCADA, but right here. RS Logix 500. That right there. That is some expensive software. I'm just gonna try. Sorry for all that flashing. Holy moly. Doesn't seem to be any, nothing's loaded up on there. Interesting. I don't know. Definitely has a battery problem. It definitely has a screen problem. It's this right here. I don't know if I want to wreck this one. I might just want to hang on to this. Well, that explains all these ports on the back. I touched the sticky stuff. I don't know if anything's cooking. Oh yeah, it's getting warm. Well, I was gonna do a destruction video on this. But this right here, I don't think I can. I'm gonna have to play with this computer a little bit. Alright, well, sorry. Turned out to not be a destruction. Turned out to be a direction of some other going here. So that was a general surprise. This is gonna be a keeper. Gonna have to hang on to this one for a little while and see what I could do with some slick 500s. Hook it up and do some ladder logic. A little something I do. Thanks for watching. Sorry we didn't get to destroy it. Destruction turned into a keeper. Thanks for watching Jason's Random Discoveries.